Hello, my YouTube friends. I'm back. And yes, this is my last video of the day because I'm tired. So, this comes from no other than my amiga, Wanda Ortiz, who is a day in my world. And she mailed me something that I needed, and I'm going to share with you guys, but I'm not going to tell you anything about it yet, because we'll be announcing it soon. So be on the lookout if you like challenges. Yes. If you like challenges, let me just use my freaking thingy over here. Hold on. I asked her if she could get me some, and I will send her the money. She didn't accept the money, but she did send it to me. Yay! She sent me, what? 6 of them? What's this? What's this? Oh, Love is in the Air Advanced Coloring Book. Oh, look how pretty. What? Look, she sent me the coloring book. It has air balloons, buildings, clouds, and look at this. Love, sweet love. That's her word for the year, love. And she's having a birthday challenge, guys. Go check her out. Look at the flamingo. Look at this beautiful, and it says, do all things with love. Yes. Love to the moon and back. Look at these. It says love with the, oh wow, that's nice. This one says love, and I see 2 giraffes of here. She loves giraffes, okay? Look at this tree. These I can try and color with my alcohol markers. Love what you do and do what you love. Yes, 100%. Look at the butterfly. I love you. Love. Yeah, so this year the word for her is love. And she's having a challenge for her birthday. And he's with the love theme on it. You gotta create something love theme for her. I will link both videos, her channel and the video for her birthday challenge, in the description box. And this one says made with love. Thank you for that. These are really good when you're stressed out. Oh, it says hi. You remember to put a card. You said you did it. Hola, amiga. Here you go. Love as promised. Dios te bendiga. Love, Wanda. God bless you too, amiga. Love you. And thank you for doing this for me. Yes. Guys, be on the lookout. And she sent me 6 of them. Be on the lookout for, what is this gonna be for? So I wanted to have some extra ones. So yes. So thank you so much, amiga, for doing this for me. You are awesome. Not because you sent me this, it's because you are awesome. I love you, girl. So this is what my amiga Wanda sent to me, and she knows I really appreciate it. So I will see you in my next video. Love you, Wanda. Bye.